Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a break from your Facebook account without deactivating or deleting it. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you are logged in to your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password or your other credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to take a break from your Facebook account temporarily, then click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on the gear icon. From here, just tap on the account center option and then scroll down and tap on personal details. Now within this section, tap on account ownership and control and you will now see the deactivation or deletion option. Go ahead and tap on deactivation or deletion and then choose your Facebook account and you will see the deactivate as well as the delete option. If you choose the deactivate option and click on continue, you will be given an option to take a break. You can simply choose this option and proceed forward in order to take a break from your account. Now, if you accidentally deactivated or deleted it, you can simply log in to your account once again and your account will once again be activated. After you choose the take a break option, you will be able to choose your time frame from which you would wish to resume using it once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to take a break from your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.